Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a try on of my favourite bronzers. I was told that people wanted to see what the bronzers look like on my skin, so I'm going to do that for you. I haven't got any bronzer on or anything, so I'm just going to try them on one by one. And yeah, let's go. I will be looking in here because I need to be able to see what it's looking like because I'm not using a mirror. I'm just using my reflection basically. As you guys know, I tried this on in my last video and I absolutely love them. So I'm going to try this one on first, and I'm going with the deep one. I think the deep dark one was a bit too dark as a bronzer, so this one is better. And I'm using different brushes because I don't want to mix the colour. So you've already seen this on me, but a lot of you wanted to see it on me, so I'm just gonna bronze up my skin with this. I'm wearing a different foundation, so oh, it looks quite dark. Let me blend this out a bit. I got a bit carried away. It is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. I think I got a bit carried away, but I do like my skin to look sun-kissed. So yeah. So that's giving my skin like a nice glow. This is not in any particular order which one's my favourite and which one isn't. I'm just doing it as I pick them up. So alright, great. I'm just going to use the one from Morphe now. This is the Prodigy bronzer. It's this one, which I absolutely love as well. So it looks like that. It's like a really nice reddy bronzer. You'll be able to see on my skin it's quite red. I'm going to maybe use the mirror and not get so carried away this time. It looks really red on camera, but I like how much warmth it gives my skin, and because my skin is very deep, for a bronzer like this to really warm up my skin, it's amazing. And I put it on my chest as well. Yeah, you can see the difference between this one and the Revolution one. Yeah. So I just look like I've been kissed by the sun. So I love this one. That's the Morphe Prodigy one. Alright, next. This one is from Juvia's Place. It is the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. And it's this darker shade called Ebony here. It looks like purple on there, but on the skin it looks amazing as a bronzer. So, new brush. It is pigmented as well, and it is quite dark. I'm doing this on camera, so if it looks crazy, sorry, but you kind of get the gist. And I've taken off all the other bronzers prior to this so you guys can see it properly. But it's kind of like it's like a purpley colour. Yeah, it's quite dark, but so you can see it's giving me like a nice colour to the skin. It's quite dark, this one, but yeah. That's the Juvia's Place one in the shade Ebony in that palette. Next is a classic one from Fenty, and it is Mocha Mami, everyone's favourite. I like this one because it's quite red as well, like the Morphe one. This one, I just whack all over. It's kind of more like a blush as well. I kind of wear it as both, like a, you know, a bit of both. Okay, I think I've got a bit carried away. Okay. Yeah. So this is the Fenty one in Mocha Mami. Just popping some concealer on, but this concealer is absolutely amazing. It's from Primark. It's so good. I'm just using it in all the areas. I actually wear it as foundation some days, so I don't want to wear anything on the skin, but oh my gosh, it is so good. Check it out, guys. Hopefully when Primark opens, we can all go and get our shade. We can all go and get it. I need to go and get some more of these. And it's only £2 as well. Like, really? It's so good. I'll put it in the description box as well, so when Primark opens, go cop that. This one is actually discontinued, but I think Sweetest Cocoa from MAC is similar to it, and there's another one that I've seen that is similar to this as well. So it's Mandalay Dusk. Sorry about this, guys. My camera keeps dying and doing its own thing, so I apologise. Yeah, this one is the Mandalay Dusk one, but it's so pretty. You can't find it, like I said before, but I will find one that's very, very similar. I think, oh, I was checking. I think Fenty Penny For You Thoughts is very similar to this, if you can't get this. But Sheer Moisture needs to bring this back, because this is banging. It's got like a sheen to it as well, so it's like a highlight blush. And you can put it on the nose as well. Love that one. Last but not least, this one is from Revolution, and it is the Sculpting bronzer. This one. I'm going to try this on for you guys as well. I'm going to use this brush. It is quite hard to come out there, I'm not going to lie. I think it's because it's all like, you see the pattern of it, it's not as easy to come out as something that's flat, but it's nice. It's cool. Yeah, I feel like you have to kind of like dig into it, but when you get the colour out, it's nice. Let me use a different brush. And I love a matte bronzer because my skin is oily, so, you know. The Sheer Moisture one isn't matte, but, you know. Always take it down the chest as well, just to blend it all. But yeah, I love this one. This one is in Mocha. The shade Mocha. And this one has got cocoa extract in there. So you can see my skin just looks sun-kissed. I can put it all over. Just grab my crease brush, and it's nice in the crease too. If you want to know what's on my eyes, it's the Huda Beauty palette in nude. For dark skin, like the darker one out of all of them. Okay, so that's a Revolution Pro one in Mocha. That's it. Those are my favourite bronzers tried on for you guys, so you can see what they look like on my skin. Thank you so much for watching, and hi to all my new subscribers. If you want to know what foundation I have on the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. I'll put my foundation shades in the bottom for you as well, so you can see what sort of skin tone I am. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.